Question: since the economic reforms were launched in India, which one of the following statements is true for statutory liquidity ratio (SLR) and cash reserve ratio (CRR) of the commercial banks? A. Both SLR and CRR have been raised. B. SLR has been reduced but CRR has been raised. C. SLR has been increased but CRR has been reduced. D. Both SLR and CRR have been reduced. Correct answer is D. Both SLR and CRR have been reduced. Question: the Narasimhan Committee for Financial Sector Reforms has suggested reduction in A. SLR and CRR, B. SLR, CRR and priority sector financing, C. SLR and financing to capital goods sector, D. CRR, priority sector financing and financing to capital goods sector. Correct answer is B. SLR, CRR and priority sector financing. Question: opening the saving bank account for a minor girl will be called as which of the following? In banking terminology: A. Retail banking, B. Merchant banking, C. Social banking, D. Corporate banking. Correct answer is A. Retail banking. Question: capital account convertibility of Indian rupee implies A. That the Indian rupee can be exchanged by the authorized dealer to travel, B. That the Indian rupee can be exchanged for any major currency for the purpose of trade in goods and services, C. That the Indian rupees can be exchanged for any the purpose of trading financial assets, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. That the Indian rupees can be exchanged for any the purpose of trading financial assets. Question: convertibility of the rupee as it exists at present means A. Rupee is convertible into foreign currencies for all types of transactions, B. Rupee is convertible into foreign currencies for trade transactions only, C. Rupee is convertible into foreign currencies for all current transactions only, D. Rupee is convertible into foreign currencies for capital transactions only. Correct answer is C. Rupee is convertible into foreign currencies for all current transactions only. Question: which one of the following is not a nationalized bank? A. Bank of Baroda, B. Canara Bank, C. ICICI Bank, D. Punjab National Bank. Correct answer is C. ICICI Bank. Question: which one of the following is a private bank? A. Allahabad Bank, B. Punjab and Sindh Bank, C. Punjab Bank, D. Punjab National Bank. Correct answer is C. Punjab Bank. Question: which one of the following is not the function of regional rural banks? A. To provide credit to small and marginal farmers, B. To provide credit to common people in rural area, C. To supplement scheduled commercial banks, D. To take over the functions of Agricultural Refinance Corporation of India. Correct answer is D. To take over the functions of Agricultural Refinance Corporation of India. Question: in India, regional rural banks were established in the year A. 1976, B. 1975, C. 1980, D. 1982. Correct answer is D. 1982. Question: which of the following systems of note issue is followed by RBI? A. Proportional reserve system. B. Minimum reserve system. C. Fixed fiduciary system. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Minimum reserve system. Question: scheduled bank is a bank which is A. Nationalized, B. Not nationalized, C. Based in foreign country, D. Included in the second schedule of RBI. Correct answer is D. Included in the second schedule of RBI. Question: coins are minted in India at A. Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata, B. Delhi, Kolkata and Hyderabad, C. Mumbai, Delhi and Bengaluru, D. Mumbai, Kolkata and Hyderabad. Correct answer is D. Mumbai, Kolkata and Hyderabad. Question: money multiplier in India is defined as A. Broad money, base money, B. Broad money, reserve money, C. Reserve money, base money, D. Base money, reserve money. Correct answer is B. Broad money, reserve money. Question: paper currency was first started in India in A. 1861, B. 1542, C. 1601, D. 1880. Correct answer is A. 1861. Question: the Prevention of Money Laundering Act came into force in India during A. 1998, B. 1999, C. 2001, D. 2005. Correct answer is D. 2005. Question: as in December 2017, Indian government's holding in which of the following banks was maximum? A. Central Bank of India, B. United Bank of India, C. Bank of India, D. State Bank of India. Correct answer is B. United Bank of India. Question: which one of the following statements correctly describes the meaning of legal tender? Money. A. The money which is tendered in courts of law to defray the fee of legal cases. B. The money which a creditor is under compulsion to accept in settlement of his claims. C. The bank money in the form of checks, drafts, bills of exchange etc. D. The metallic money in circulation in a country. Correct answer is B. The money which a creditor is under compulsion to accept in settlement of his claims. Question: which one of the following best describes the term merchant discount rate, sometimes seen in news? A. The incentive given by a bank to a merchant for accepting payments through debit cards pertaining to that bank. B. The amount paid back by banks to their customers when they use debit cards for financial transactions for purchasing goods or services. C. The charge to a merchant by a bank for accepting payments from his customers through the bank's debit cards. D. The incentive given by the government to merchants for promoting digital payments by their customers through point of sale (POS) machines and debit cards. Correct answer is C. The charge to a merchant by a bank for accepting payments from his customers through the bank's debit cards. Question: Tarapur Committee was associated with which one of the following? A. Special economic zones. B. Full capital account convertibility. C. Foreign exchange reserves. D. Effect of oil prices on the Indian economy. Correct answer is B. Full capital account convertibility. Question: The question of full capital account convertibility of Indian was explained by the committee known as A. Waghul Committee, B. Rangarajan Committee, C. Tarapur Committee 2, D. Hashim Committee. Correct answer is C. Tarapur Committee 2. Question: Which among the following is a function of the Reserve Bank of India? A. Bank issues the letter of credit to their customers certifying their creditability. B. Collecting and compilation of statistical information relating to banking and other financial sector. C. Banks underwrite the securities issued by public or private organizations. D. Accepting deposits from the public. Correct answer is B. Collecting and compilation of statistical information relating to banking and other financial sector. Question: When the Reserve Bank of India was established? A. 1920, B. 1930, C. 1935, D. 1940. Correct answer is C. 1935. Question: Which of the following banks is the Central Bank of India? A. State Bank of India, B. Bank of India, C. Union Bank of India, D. Reserve Bank of India. Correct answer is D. Reserve Bank of India. Question: The headquarters of RBI is situated at A. Delhi, B. Kolkata, C. Mumbai, D. Chennai. Correct answer is C. Mumbai. Question: Which one of the following statements is not correct? A. RBI is the central bank of the country. B. RBI is the banker of the central and state government. C. RBI is the custodian of the country's foreign exchange reserve. D. RBI was established in 1949. Correct answer is D. RBI was established in 1949. Question: Which of the following is not a function of Reserve Bank of India? A. Regulation of currency. B. Regulation of foreign trade. C. Regulation of credit. D. Custody and management of country's foreign exchange reserve. Correct answer is B. Regulation of foreign trade. Question: Who is the lender of the last resort in the banking structure of India? A. State Bank of India, B. Reserve Bank of India, C. Exim Bank of India, D. Union Bank of India. Correct answer is B. Reserve Bank of India. Question: is the official minimum rate at which the central bank of a country is prepared to rediscount approved bills held by the commercial banks. A. Repo rate. B. Bank rate. C. Prime lending rate. D. Reverse repo rate. Correct answer is B. Bank rate. Question: the bank rate is the rate at which A. a bank lends to the public. B. the RBI lends to the public. C. the RBI gives credit to the commercial banks. D. the Government of India lends to other countries. Correct answer is C. the RBI gives credit to the commercial banks. Question: the interest rate at which the Reserve Bank of India lends to commercial banks in the short term to maintain liquidity is known as A. interest rate. B. repo rate. C. bank rate. D. reverse repo rate. Correct answer is B. repo rate. Question: in order to control credit, Reserve Bank of India should A. increase CRR and decrease bank rate. B. decrease CRR and reduce bank rate. C. increase CRR and increase bank rate. D. reduce CRR and increase bank rate. Correct answer is C. increase CRR and increase bank rate. Question: in India, money and credit is controlled by the A. Central Bank of India. B. Industrial Development Bank of India. C. Reserve Bank of India. D. State Bank of India. Correct answer is C. Reserve Bank of India. Question: when the Reserve Bank of India announces an increase of the cash reserve ratio CRR, what does it mean? A. the commercial banks will have less money to lend. B. the Reserve Bank of India will have less money to lend. C. the Union government will have less money to lend. D. the commercial banks will have more money to lend. Correct answer is A. the commercial banks will have less money to lend. Question: the lowering of bank rate by the Reserve Bank of India leads to A. more liquidity in the market. B. less liquidity in the market. C. no change in the liquidity in the market. D. mobilization of more deposits by commercial banks. Correct answer is A. more liquidity in the market. Question: a proportion of total deposits and reserves of the commercial banks deposited with the Reserve Bank of India is called A. balance of payment. B. bank guarantee. C. caution money. D. cash reserve ratio. Correct answer is D. cash reserve ratio. Question: an increase in CRR by the Reserve Bank of India results in A. decrease in debt of the government. B. reduction in liquidity in the economy. C. attracting more FDI in the country. D. more flow of credit to desired sector. Correct answer is B. reduction in liquidity in the economy. Question: which one of the following statement is correct regarding increase in the cash reserve ratio in India? A. it increases credit creation. B. it reduces credit creation. C. it does not affect credit. D. It denotes liberal monetary policy. Correct answer is B. It reduces credit creation. Question: credit creation power of the commercial banks gets limited by which of the following? A. Banking habits of the people. B. Cash reserve ratio. C. Credit policy of the central bank. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question: number of times a unit of money changes hands in the course of a year is called A. Supply of money. B. Purchasing power of money. C. Velocity of money. D. Value of money. Correct answer is C. Velocity of money. Question: which among the following is not correct? A. Floating exchange rate system works on market mechanism. B. Floating exchange rate breeds uncertainties and speculation. C. Economic and political factors and value judgments influence the choice of the exchange rate system. D. The system of floating exchange rate requires comprehensive government intervention. Correct answer is D. The system of floating exchange rate requires comprehensive government intervention. Question: monetary policy is implemented by? In India, A. The Ministry of Finance. B. The Parliament. C. Planning Commission. D. Reserve Bank of India. Correct answer is D. Reserve Bank of India. Question: one amongst the following take the decision about the monetary policy of India. A. Finance Minister of India. B. Reserve Bank of India. C. Prime Minister of India. D. International Monetary Fund. Correct answer is B. Reserve Bank of India. Question: which one of the following is not an instrument of selective credit control in India? A. Regulation of consumer credit. B. Rationing of credit. C. Margin requirements. D. Variable cost reserve ratios. Correct answer is D. Variable cost reserve ratios. Question: which one of the following is not an objective of monetary policy? A. Price stability. B. Economic stability. C. Equitable distribution of Indian assets. D. Foreign exchange rate stability. Correct answer is C. Equitable distribution of Indian assets. Question: money is a matter of functions for a medium, a measure, a standard, and what is the fourth function of money indicated in this popular phrase? A. A stock. B. A flow. C. A store. D. A payment. Correct answer is C. A store. Question: which of the following measure of the high power money supply H has been used by RBI in India? A. Currency held by public plus other deposits with the RBI. B. Cash reserve of the commercial banks plus other deposits with the RBI. C. Currency held by the public plus cash reserves of the commercial banks plus other deposit with the RBI. D. Currency held by the public plus cash reserves of the commercial banks plus time deposits of commercial banks plus other deposits with the RBI. Correct answer is C. Currency held by the public plus cash reserves of the commercial banks plus other deposit with the RBI. Question in India. M3 includes A. Time deposits with banks. B. Demand deposits with banks. C. Currency with the public. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question: the Indian rupee was made convertible into which of the following accounts since March 1993? A. Capital account. B. Current account. C. Both. A. And B. D. Revenue account. Correct answer is B. Current account. Question: Indian rupee had been made fully convertible on A. Current account on March 1, 1993. B. Current account in August 1994. C. Capital account in August 1994. D. Current account in April 1995. Correct answer is A. Current account on March 1, 1993. Question: convertibility of the rupee implies A. Being able to convert rupee notes into gold. B. Freely permitting the conversion of rupee to other major currencies and vice versa. C. Allowing the value of the rupee to be fixed by market forces. D. Developing an international market of currencies in India. Correct answer is B. Freely permitting the conversion of rupee to other major currencies and vice versa. Question: which of the following are treated as artificial currency? A. ADR. B. SDR. C. GDR. D. Both ADR and GDR. Correct answer is B. SDR. Question: the 1 rupee Indian note bears the signature of A. Governor, Reserve Bank of India. B. Secretary, Ministry of Finance. C. Finance Minister. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Secretary, Ministry of Finance. Question: in which year the Export-Import (EXIM) Bank in India was set up? A. 1980. B. 1982. C. 1981. D. 1989. Correct answer is B. 1982. Question: in India, the interest rate on savings accounts in all the nationalized commercial banks is fixed by A. Union Ministry of Finance. B. Union Finance Commission. C. Indian Banks Association. D. Banks itself. Correct answer is D. Banks itself. Question: with reference to the institution of Banking Ombudsman in India, which one of the statements is not correct? A. The Banking Ombudsman is appointed by the Reserve Bank of India. B. The Banking Ombudsman can consider complaints from non-resident Indians having accounts in India. C. The order passed by the Banking Ombudsman are final and binding on the parties concerned. D. The service provided by the Banking Ombudsman is free. Correct answer is C. The order passed by the Banking Ombudsman are final and binding on the parties concerned. Question: which of the following terms indicates a mechanism used by commercial banks for providing credit to the government? A. Cash credit ratio. B. Debt service obligation. C. Liquidity adjustment facility. D. Statutory liquidity ratio. Correct answer is D. Statutory liquidity ratio. Question: the basic aim of lead bank scheme is that A. Big banks should try to open offices in each district. B. There should be stiff competition among the various nationalized banks. C. Individual banks should adopt particular districts for intensive development. D. All the banks should make intensive efforts to mobile deposits. Correct answer is C. Individual banks should adopt particular districts for intensive development. Question: in the context of Indian economy, open market operations refers to A. Borrowing by scheduled banks from the RBI. B. Lending by commercial banks to industry and trade. C. Purchases and sale of government securities by the RBI. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Purchases and sale of government securities by the RBI. Question: priority sector lending by banks in India constitutes the lending to A. Agriculture. B. Micro and small enterprises. C. Weaker sections. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question: when was the first regional rural bank formed? A. 1977. B. 1976. C. 1974. D. 1975. Correct answer is D. 1975. Question: Land Development Bank provides loan to farmers for A. Short term. B. Medium term. C. Long term. D. Only for land improvement. Correct answer is C. Long term. Question: the largest commercial bank of India is A. NABARD. B. State Bank of India. C. ICICI. D. Union Bank of India. Correct answer is B. State Bank of India. Question: in which year did the Government of India nationalized 14 major private banks? A. 1968. B. 1970. C. 1969. D. 1965. Correct answer is C. 1969. Question: Reserve Bank of India issues currency notes against which of the following? A. Gold. B. Foreign security. C. Govt. of India security. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question: the decimal system was made applicable to Indian currency system in which year? A. 1947. B. 1957. C. 1935. D. 1949. Correct answer is B. 1957. Question: devaluation of currency means A. Reduction in the value of the currency vis-a-vis major internationally traded currencies. B. Permitting a currency to seek its worth in the international market. C. Fixing the value of currency with the help of IMF and WB. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Reduction in the value of the currency vis-a-vis major internationally traded currencies. Question: Provident Fund in India is A. Contractual savings, B. Residual savings, C. Voluntary savings, D. Employers' savings. Correct answer is A. Contractual savings. Question: Which one of the following statements about foreign exchange reserves of India is not true? A. It includes foreign currency assets and gold holdings of Reserve Bank of India. B. It is maintained with the Reserve Bank of India. C. Special drawing rights are not included in it. D. Presently foreign exchange situation is satisfactory in India. Correct answer is C. Special drawing rights are not included in it. Question: Rural Infrastructure Development Fund is being financed by A. NABARD, B. Reserve Bank of India, C. Ministry of Rural Development, D. Selected group of public sector banks. Correct answer is A. NABARD. Question: Who maintains the foreign exchange reserve in India? A. Reserve Bank of India, B. State Bank of India, C. Ministry of Finance, Government of India, D. Export-Import Bank of India. Correct answer is A. Reserve Bank of India. Question: FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, was finally implemented in the year A. 1991, B. 1997, C. 2000, D. 2007. Correct answer is C. 2000. Question: Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? A. Industrial Finance, SIDBI, B. Social Security Measures, Bharat Nirman, C. Rural Credit, NABARD, D. Rural Employment, SJSRY. Correct answer is D. Rural Employment, SJSRY. Question: Which one of the following does not implement the self-help groups? SHGs, Bank Linkage Program, A. NABARD, B. Commercial Banks, C. RRBs, D. Cooperative Banks. Correct answer is B. Commercial Banks. Question: Simply Click credit card scheme is launched by which of the following banks? A. IDBI, B. ICICI, C. BOB, D. SBI. Correct answer is D. SBI. Question: In India, the first bank of limited liability managed by Indians and founded in 1881 was A. Hindustan Commercial Bank, B. Audh Commercial Bank, C. Punjab National Bank, D. Punjab and Sindh Bank. Correct answer is B. Audh Commercial Bank. Question: Which one of the following statements is correct with reference of FEMA in India? A. The Foreign Exchange Management Act, FEMA, in the year 2001. B. FERA was given a sunset clause of 1 year till the 31st of May 2002 to enable Enforcement Directorate to complete the investigation of pending issues. C. Under FEMA, violation of foreign exchange rules has ceased to be a criminal offence. D. As per the new dispensation, Enforcement Directorate can arrest and prosecute the people for the violation of foreign exchange rule. Correct answer is C. Under FEMA, violation of foreign exchange rules has ceased to be a criminal offence. Question 1. Of the important goals of the economic liberalization policy is to achieve full convertibility of the Indian rupee. This is being advocated because A. Convertibility of the rupee will stabilize its exchange value against major currencies of the world. B. It will attract more foreign capital inflow in India. C. It will help promote exports. D. It will help India secure loans from the world financial markets on attractive terms. Correct answer is B. It will attract more foreign capital inflow in India. Question. The accounting year of the Reserve Bank of India is A. April to March. B. July to June. C. October to September. D. January to December. Correct answer is B. July to June. Question. The banks are required to maintain a certain ratio between their cash in hand and total assets. This is called A. SBR, statutory bank ratio. B. SLR, statutory liquidity ratio. C. CBR, central bank reserve. D. CLR, central liquidity reserve. Correct answer is B. SLR, statutory liquidity ratio. Question. Who is called the pioneer of liberalization of Indian economy? A. Dr. Manmohan Singh. B. P.V. Narasimha Rao. C. Dr. Bimal Jalan. D. P. Chidambaram. Correct answer is A. Dr. Manmohan Singh. Question. Promotion given to multinational companies in India means encouragement of A. Privatization policy. B. Globalization policy. C. Liberalization policy. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question. Rangarajan Committee was constituted for A. Disinvestment. B. Banking reforms. C. Tax reforms. D. Foreign trade. Correct answer is A. Disinvestment. Question. The first phase of liberalization was initiated in India under the regime of A. Rajiv Gandhi. B. P.V. Narasimha Rao. C. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. D. H.D. Deve Gowda. Correct answer is A. Rajiv Gandhi. Question. Globalization does not include A. Reduction in import duties. B. Abolition of import licensing. C. Free flow of foreign direct investment. D. Disinvestment of public sector equity. Correct answer is D. Disinvestment of public sector equity. Question. Free trade policy refers to a policy where there is A. Absence of tariff. B. Restriction on the movement of goods. C. Existence of anti-dumping policy. D. Encouragement for balanced growth. Correct answer is A. Absence of tariff. Question: the first export processing zone of the private sector was established at A. Surat, B. Noida, C. Chennai, D. Mangalore. Correct answer is A. Surat. Question: free trade zone is 1. A. Where trade's done without restrictions. B. Where any entrepreneur is free to start industries. C. Where infrastructure facilities are provided free to entrepreneurs by the government. D. Where industries are free from excise duties and produce for exports. Correct answer is D. Where industries are free from excise duties and produce for exports. Question: which of the following is not part of the second generation of reforms identified by the government? A. Oil sector reforms. B. Public sector reforms. C. Legal system reforms. D. Reform of government and public institutions. Correct answer is A. Oil sector reforms. Question: why companies go for business process re-engineering with the help of technology? A. Customers' demand and expectations. B. IT being leveraged to provide competitive edge in products and services at lower costs. C. The pace of change has accelerated with the liberalization of economies world over. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question: from which year was the FEMA promulgated? A. 2003, B. 2002, C. 2000, D. 1999. Correct answer is C. 2000. Question: under free exchange market the rate of foreign exchange is determined by A. Balance of payments theory, B. Purchasing power parity theory, C. Mint par theory, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Purchasing power parity theory. Question: the development is A. Reduction of prices, B. Deficit financing, C. Loans from World Bank and IMF, D. Reduction in the value of currency in terms of gold. Correct answer is D. Reduction in the value of currency in terms of gold. Question: which of the following authority sanctions foreign exchange for import of goods? A. Any nationalized bank, B. Exchange Bank, C. Reserve Bank of India, D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is C. Reserve Bank of India. Question: the term paper gold means A. Special drawing rights of the IMF, B. Special accommodation facility of the World Bank, C. Currencies still on gold standard, D. Deficit financing. Correct answer is A. Special drawing rights of the IMF. Question: India Foreign Investment Promotion Board now works under A. Reserve Bank of India, B. Ministry of External Affairs, C. Ministry of Commerce. D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is D. Ministry of Finance. Question: which of the following statements is correct about the balance of trade of India? A. India's trade balance remained negative for the entire period from 1949-50 to 2015-16. B. India's trade balance remained positive for the entire period from 1949-50 to 2015-16. C. India's trade balance remained negative for the entire period from 1949-50 to 2015-16 except 2. Year 1972-73 and 1976-77. When it was positive. D. India's trade balance remained positive for the entire period from 1949-50 to 2015-16 except 2. Year 1972-73 and 1976-77. When it was negative. Correct answer is C. India's trade balance remained negative for the entire period from 1949-50 to 2015-16 except 2. Year 1972-73 and 1976-77. When it was positive. Question: balance of payment on capital account includes A. Balances of private direct investments. B. Private portfolio investments. C. Government loans to foreign governments. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question: the term balance of payment is used in relation to which of the following? A. Annual sale of a factory. B. Tax collection. C. Export and imports. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Export and imports. Question: which one of the following statements is not correct? A. The proposals made by the Director General of GATT to resolve the stalled Uruguay talks are referred to as the Dunkel draft. B. The Dunkel draft also included proposals pertaining to intellectual property rights. C. The Dunkel proposals also include trade-related investment measures. D. The Dunkel proposals also include the proposal that Indo-Pak relation may be strengthened on the basis of Shimla Agreement. Correct answer is D. The Dunkel proposals also include the proposal that Indo-Pak relation may be strengthened on the basis of Shimla Agreement. Question: what have been the reasons of deficit in India's balance of trade in the past? A. Very large rise in imports. B. Modest growth of exports. C. High cost and low quantity production. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question: balance of payment is defined as A. The value of exports minus the value of imports. B. The difference between the liabilities and assets of a firm. C. The difference between current expenditure and current revenue in the government. D. Complete record of all economic transaction between the residents of the country and rest of the world. Correct answer is D. Complete record of all economic transaction between the residents of the country and rest of the world. Question: India export maximum leather to A. USA, B. USSR, C. England, D. W. Germany. Correct answer is A. USA. Question: which one of the following groups constitutes the largest item of export from India? A. Engineering goods and tea. B. Tea, gems and jewelry. C. Ready-made garments and sugar. D. Ready-made garments, gems and jewelry. Correct answer is D. Ready-made garments, gems and jewelry. Question: which among the following does not have free trade zone? A. Kandla. B. Mumbai. C. Visakhapatnam. D. Thiruvananthapuram. Correct answer is A. Kandla. Question: ECGC is related to A. Export promotion. B. Export financing and insurance. C. Export quality certification. D. Export statistics publication. Correct answer is B. Export financing and insurance. Question: which organization promotes the foreign trade? A. ECGC. B. MMTC. C. STC. D. All of the above. Correct answer is A. ECGC. Question: which one of the following institutions related to export financing and insurance? A. ECGC. B. GAIL. C. CBDT. D. IDBI. Correct answer is A. ECGC. Question: invisible export means export of A. Services. B. Prohibited goods. C. Unrecorded goods. D. Goods through smuggling. Correct answer is A. Services. Question: balance of payment includes A. Visible trade. B. Invisible trade. C. Debts. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question: a letter of credit has to be produced by A. An exporter. B. An importer. C. Custom authorities. D. Shipping company. Correct answer is B. An importer. Question: which one of the following set of commodities are exported to India by arid and semi-arid countries in the Middle East? A. Raw wool and carpets. B. Fruits and palm oil. C. Precious stones and pearls. D. Perfume and coffee. Correct answer is A. Raw wool and carpets. Question: which one of the following countries is the largest trading partner of India? A. USA. B. UK. C. France. D. China. Correct answer is D. China. Question: among the following countries, which was the highest crude oil supplier to India during 2017-18? A. Saudi Arabia. B. Iran. C. Iraq. D. Kuwait. Correct answer is C. Iraq. Question: which of the following commodities has highest export from India in 2017? A. Agriculture and allied products. B. Engineering goods. C. Textiles. D. Chemicals. Correct answer is B. Engineering goods. Question: which of the following continued to be the major component of India's external credit till 2017? A. NRI deposits. B. Short-term debt. C. Trade credit. D. Commercial borrowing. Correct answer is D. Commercial borrowing. Question: which sector in India attracts the highest FDI equity flow? A. Construction sector. B. Energy sector. C. Service sector. D. Automobile sector. Correct answer is C. Service sector. Question: the maximum limit of foreign direct investment (FDI) in public sector banking is A. 20%, B. 50%, C. 33%, D. 49%. Correct answer is A. 20%. Question: a great deal of foreign direct investment (FDI) to India comes from Mauritius than from many major and mature economics like UK and France. Why? A. India has preference for certain countries as regards receiving FDI. B. India has double taxation avoidance agreement with Mauritius. C. Most citizens of Mauritius have ethnic identity with India and so they feel secure to invest in India. D. Impending dangers of global climatic change prompt Mauritius to make huge investment in India. Correct answer is B. India has double taxation avoidance agreement with Mauritius. Question: both foreign direct investment (FDI) and foreign institutional investor (FII) are related to investment in a country. Which one of the following statements best represents an important difference between the two? A. FII helps brings better management skills and technology, while FDI only brings in capital. B. FII helps in increasing capital availability in general, while FDI only targets specific sector. C. FDI flows only into the secondary market, while FII targets primary markets. D. FII is considered to be more stable than FDI. Correct answer is B. FII helps in increasing capital availability in general, while FDI only targets specific sector. Question: in terms of the share in foreign direct investment equity inflows in India during 2016-17, which of the following countries is on the top? A. Mauritius. B. Singapore. C. Japan. D. USA. Correct answer is A. Mauritius. Question: who coined the term brick in 2001? A. Jim O'Neill. B. Barack Obama. C. John Kennedy. D. Vladimir Putin. Correct answer is A. Jim O'Neill. Question: the British scholar Jim O'Neill, who coined the term brics, is related to which of the following subjects? A. Psychology. B. Sociology. C. Political science. D. Economics. Correct answer is D. Economics. Question: in which year BRIC grouping was formed as BRICS? A. 2010. B. 2015. C. 2009. D. 2012. Correct answer is A. 2010. Question: the first ever summit meeting of BRICS countries took place at A. Brazil, B. India, C. Russia, D. China. Correct answer is C. Russia. Question: which one of the following is not a member of BRICS? A. India, B. China, C. Saudi Arabia, D. Brazil. Correct answer is C. Saudi Arabia. Question: which one of the following countries was introduced in BRICS in the last? A. India, B. China, C. South Africa, D. Brazil. Correct answer is C. South Africa. Question: how many countries are members of World Bank? A. 189, B. 181, C. 164, D. 193. Correct answer is A. 189. Question: in which year was the World Bank formed? A. 1945, B. 1956, C. 1960, D. 1998. Correct answer is A. 1945. Question: which of the following is also known as International Bank for Reconstruction and Development? A. Asian Development Bank, B. World Bank, C. International Monetary Fund, D. Reserve Bank of India. Correct answer is B. World Bank. Question: the new World Trade Organization, WTO, which replaced the GATT, came into effect from A. the 1st of January, 1991, B. the 1st of January, 1995, C. the 1st of April, 1994, D. the 1st of May, 1995. Correct answer is B. the 1st of January 1995. Question: the earlier name of WTO was A. UNCTAD, B. GATT, C. UNIDO, D. OECD. Correct answer is B. GATT. Question: the headquarters of World Trade Organization is at A. Doha, B. Geneva, C. Rome, D. New York. Correct answer is B. Geneva. Question: which among below is not a correct statement? A. Bretton Woods Conference gave birth to two international organizations. B. Theory of absolute advantage in international trade is given by Adam Smith. C. Pure and perfect competition are the same market structures. D. Mint parity theory of exchange rate determination is applicable in countries under gold standard. Correct answer is C. Pure and perfect competition are the same market structures. Question: the central issue in Doha round of talks of World Trade Organization was A. Issue related to agriculture, B. Export from developing countries, C. Trade in service, D. Intellectual property right related to trade. Correct answer is B. Export from developing countries. Question: International Development Association, IDA, is managed by A. World Bank, B. International Monetary Fund, C. UNO, D. US Federal Bank. Correct answer is A. World Bank. Question: the International Development Association, a lending agency, is administered by the A. International Bank of Reconstruction and Development, B. International Fund for Agricultural Development, C. United Nations Development Programme, D. United Nations Industrial Development Organization. Correct answer is A. International Bank of Reconstruction and Development. Question: one of the important agreements reached in the 1996 Ministerial Conference of WTO refers to A. Commerce in Information Technology, B. Multilateral Agreement on Investment, C. Multi-Fiber Agreement, D. Exchange of Technical Personnel. Correct answer is A. Commerce in Information Technology. Question: how is the United Nations Monetary and Financial Conference wherein the agreements were signed to set up IBRD, GATT and IMF, commonly known? A. Bandung Conference, B. Bretton Woods Conference, C. Versailles Conference, D. Yalta Conference. Correct answer is B. Bretton Woods Conference.